Hi guys, this is Burek. So I want to show you how Arden AI works both inside the house and outside the house. Come check it out.
The front door is open.
So when someone comes to your front door or around the house, the system will see you on camera and it will respond.
Hi and welcome to the Grahams. I can see you at the front door and I am contacting the homeowner. If you would like to leave a message, you can do so now. Thanks.
So that response is customizable, but let's see what happens inside. Inside the home, while you're watching television, the system will show overlays of whatever camera on your television. It will show the camera on your touchscreen. And it will show the camera on your tabletop mount as well. So this can be triggered both with voice and when someone comes around the house. So it just displayed whenever you saw a person, but if I wanted to display the camera with Alexa, I can do so as well. But this is how Jetsons Living works in Arden AI.